hard. Wanna know what this is? You wanna know what this is?
Oh, what is it?
Do you not care? Do you not care?
She just wants it.
She's supposed to.
Okay. The unboxing.
See it? For Daddy.
It's almost stuck. It's stuck.
Daddy.
I might open it at the other end.
Really?
It's stuck.
It's stuck?
Yes, it's stuck. U.S. Post Office really wanted to pack this thing in good.
Apparently so.
Did you find it? Did you watch Christmas? I just stuck it. Did you find the more back? Did you find one? Daddy, it's Daddy. Daddy is on your phone. It's Daddy. It's
And
Daddy.
here it comes.
It's Daddy.
Maybe. If it quits. I can keep it from just. There we go.
Our official autographed, signed poster of Charles and Allie Tippy.
Owie,
And Zoe and Marley. And there we are. Here is our official poster.
Money. Look. Money. Look.
If Gracie would get off of it.
That's like Gracie's knee on Allie's face. Hello guys, sorry for the short video today. Just due to some storms coming in tomorrow, I'm probably not going to have time to even upload at all because it's supposed to be really nasty. They're calling for lots of stuff. So, anywho, right after this slide, you'll see a big map of it, of what's going to hit us. So, sorry. Bye.